Kiharo-ini kia Nyayo guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi ni igongona-ini ya kuririkana uria wari president wa gatatu wa Kenya Mwai wa Kibaki rihanikeire na president Uhuru Kenyatta ni utongoririe bururi hari gucakaya mutongoria uyu. Na ndumiriri-ini yake ria yonekanire gukorwo ibaciriirwo mwandikire-ini wayo, Uhuru ni atariirie Kibaki ari mutongoria wari mwirutiri, mwiheani na wari na wendo muingi wa bururi, akimutariria ta mundu wikuraniire.
We celebrate a man of faith, a man of family, a man of honor, and a man who always put Kenya and Kenyans first.
President ni aheanire muhiano wa kuonania wirutiri wa Kibaki kuri bururi, akigweta ngui iria ciumanire na githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2007 na kuria Mwai wa Kibaki etikirire kugayana mahinya ma thirikari na Raila Odinga.
President Kibaki admitted to all of us that this was one of the lowest moments in his career as a political leader. But turning inwards, he converted this political misfortune into a constitutional moment.
Uhuru ningi ni agathiririe utongoria wa Kibaki akimugweta gukorwo ari umwe wa atongoria aria mari na meciria ma gikiro kia iguru mibangire-ini ya kiwonjoria na mibango iria ariire agitungata ikiro-ini citiganite cia utongoria. Uhuru akiuga niyo yumbite muthingi wa gukura gwa bururi.
If he was with us here today, he would have instructed us to choose leadership over politics. He would have told us that leadership is about vision, politics is about position.
Mwaka wa 1988 President Kibaki ni afutirwo wira ari ta munini wa president na akiheo wira wa gutuika minister wa ugima wa mwiri, na ni gwatanyitwo ati ni agutiga wira ni undu wa kuhururwo mahinya, no itua riake ria guthii na mbere na gutungata rikigwetwo ari muhiano mwega wa mundu uraigite utungata kuri muingi mbere.
He understood that a leader who does not lead himself will be driven by his difficulties rather than his vision. He will give in to pressure of crowds rather than the chosen path appointed for him. Such a leader will be pushed to make popular choices that please crowds as opposed to bold choices that are good for country but may be unpopular at the moment.
Cioneki kia mwaka wa 2013 kiria giathugundirwo hindi ya wathani wa Kibaki niyo ngerekano iria Uhuru ahuthirire kuonania ati Kibaki arari mundu wa cioneki cia bururi.
And if President Kibaki authored Vision 2030, the next administration must take us to a bolder plan. They must give us Vision 2063. He fought the good fight, finished the race, and he without doubt kept the faith.
Ndumiriri ya President Uhuru Kenyatta ni onekana kuheana mutamburuko mugima wa uria muturire wa President Kibaki urahanaga, no ningi ritana rikirutwo kuria atongoria gukinyukia nginyo-ini icio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Kiharo-ini kia Nyayo, ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.